Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Edimax CAX1800 access point, Wi-Fi access point, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If this access point is not connecting to the internet, or your devices are unable to connect to the access point, or if it's lagging or seems to be frozen or not responding, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. You will need to set it up again because this will restore it to its factory default settings. But this is the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set up this access point on a new internet connection or in a new office or something like that, we can restore it to its factory default out of the box settings like as it were a new product. It's pretty easy to do. If you'd like to proceed, all you need is a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it could damage it, but it needs to fit in this recessed hole right here to access the recessed button to the right here. And we're just going to press and hold, and you will need to press and hold this for a minimum of 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will hard reset it to its factory default out of the box settings.